We are roaming around in Singapore, guys. We are here in Suntec City. Yeah, today is my off day. My husband bring me out to see all the street light here in Singapore. So we're entering Suntec City. We will see if they have a street light there this year. Yeah, this is Suntec City, guys. Look, it's yellow, conventional hall. So it's yellow. The fountain is in front, but really, yeah, we're entering here in Suntec City. Not much light, guys. Right. And this is the fountain here in Suntec. And look at that. This is only the light here in Suntec. Quite nice. Look at the Christmas tree. Red Christmas tree, guys. Not really have the light here. Park Hall Royal Collections. That's the hotel. Not much light here. Marina Square. Tomorrow is Christmas Eve. So today we decide to roaming around to see the Christmas light. All the Christmas street Christmas light, guys, here. But not much here. Not much. Not really much. We're going to Marina Bay Sand. We're going to Esplanade. Wow, that's the Marina Bay. Marina Bay. Wow, it's purple. Yeah, purple. Beautiful color. I think they have a light now. So I don't know. Yeah, it's very nice. Show you the I would prefer to stay at home, guys.